Pigeons, what do you want? I love that sound. What do you want, guys? Do you guys just want the sun to come out? Is that all we care about? Is that all I care about? Nope. It's only January. We got months left of darkness. Happy to be here for it. Maybe the sun could come out once. Yeah, get in there, pidgeys. Oh yeah, let's get some pidgeys. Right up front. It's like a movie theater view. Mr. Crow's trying to ruin the party. Here, we'll get another little bit right there for you. There you go. Get the pile. Oh, Mr. Crow. Somebody's getting jealous. And he looks like a black bird. Look at his caw. Here, we gotta get a little more in there. A little more in there. It's called the motivation of hunger. Plus, I've been feeding these guys forever. Every now and then they give me a break. Okay, well, we gotta give the rest of the flock some. Well, I guess these guys just want to be up close and personal today. That's fine with me. One more little pile for you guys up front. Oh, he's just gonna walk on them, huh? Alright guys, I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up all the way. You guys ate me out of house and home. I got nothing left. I'll go file bankruptcy later. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed your little meal. I sure did. Well, I'll throw you one more because that was a good little feeding, huh? One more little pile picker.